I am working on basically more focused on algorithm-based design. I've studied at the AA in London. I've been living in London. Then it's been 3 years that I moved back to Istanbul. I'm based in Istanbul right now, but working a bit global and so very mobile. Istanbul, London, Korea, Abu Dhabi. We are doing multiple projects there. My main aim is I really want to push the boundaries of technology together with architectural design. My practice is focusing on also low environmental impact projects. How can we increase the sustainability model of our buildings, of our designs, of our products by using those technologies? So in Abu Dhabi, we are right now working on an Eco Lodge project, which is very exciting for me because we are pushing our boundaries with using the robotic technology with traditional materials like earth. So how can we learn from our past and adapt it to future and make a more sustainable but also design-wise free architecture? Like this was part of the one of my projects back in London, and my colleagues actually were Italian. Federico Borello, me and Philip Siedler was part of research, and we were actually looking for a new ways of living. Like, can we suggest co-living? And in London especially, co-living is very, very high demand. The reason that I wanted to show that this has no context, and this is like a pod that a single person can live in it. This reminds me of where I am living right now in this COVID situation, because I really feel like this woman when I'm in my room, because my room feels like the only thing that I have sometimes, because I don't go to office and I'm always at home. The fact that with a different context, you can put it in nature, and you can feel with the green, and you can experience the nature in its best. Or maybe this is like an urban condition, that this is one of the cells that you live in, and it's more of like a Japanese kind of futuristic vision. So this is also one of my projects, and this is a silent meditation cabin in Latvia. So when you compare the two projects and the context and what it does, actually the similarity is that it has a single occupant that has a boundary, that has a shell. But the first one was very transparent and something that has this feeling of maybe the material is not there, but maybe it's not important at that case. But in here, we're talking about we are having this wood, we are in the nature. These panels are rotatable, so it expands, and it becomes like a fully open shell, and then you close yourself like the animal, you know. So it's actually, for me, interesting to think about those two worlds, and what do we want? Do we really want to go with this